Today I'm going to show you how to go about formatting your Google Maps for your website to include your Google My Business information. Here you can see that this particular guy has got his reviews in here. He's also using the new service area capabilities of Google My Business to show his service area rather than just the city where they're located at. And with today's new Google guidelines for EAT or EAT, which stands for experience, authoritativeness, or trustworthiness, you're going to want to know about those kind of things because your About Us page is about to get very important to you as far as your search engine optimization. So anyway, let's just jump into this. So the first trick to this is to find your Google My Business page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and we're going to just follow along with this guy. We're going to type the business name in there. And now you can see we're here, and you can see that they include a map with that Google My Business area. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and the map will come up. So over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see this little share button right here. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to go grab Embed a Map. And we're going to copy this bad boy right here. And what I'm going to do for ERS, we don't need that whole thing because part of that is already in the ERS map element. So I'm just going to paste this here, and I'm just going to grab it easily here right after the PB. See the PB equals? We're going to grab that, and we're going to go down here to the other end where the quote mark is. This other stuff, you can use this, but that's a whole nother thing. In fact, I'll probably show you that right when I'm done here, is how to embed a customized Google map into the ERS website. But for right now, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab a Google Map element. I'm just going to drag it into the page, and you see it always comes with default information. So what I'm going to do here is click on this. And now you can see that same PB equals right here. So what I'm going to do is go back over here. I'm going to grab this, copy, and I'm just going to paste that right here, just like this. Paste, update, and there you go. And now you can see over here the Google reviews, and we can go over here and see the actual service area. It works out very good for your maps. Now, let's do this. Let's go and try and do what I was talking about earlier. Let's just do a custom map. Okay, so here you can see in the second row, we've got the raw HTML element. Just double click that. And what I'll do is just drag that into the space. I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab that entire block now of that Google script for their map. And we'll go down here and we're going to paste that in right here. But because this is raw HTML, we're going to have to add some style elements to it. Otherwise, it'll be unstyled and unimpressive. So I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to add a div that calls it to be in the center. We'll go down here and close that off. And let me put a space there so that you can see that. See, what I'm doing is just making a space here in this particular element. We're going to align it to the center, that's all. And what I'm going to do here is go down to the Google styles, and I'm going to set this for my text block width. So I'll go 1175. It's set for 450, which is probably fine, but let's just make it 500 for the sake of arguments today. And there we go. Now hit there, and now you can see that it's a little differently styled. And of course, we could make it small, we could make it bigger, we can make it however we want, but it does allow us to put it in numerous places within the ERS template. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to watch out for Digital Warriors coming in February.